Hi everyone! Now it's workbook time! So for today, we're going to answer page 9 of your workbook. Now we are doing letter N. For this practice, you have to find the missing numbers in each number pattern below. So if you remember about number pattern or number sequence, it means a group of numbers that follows a certain rule for changing or repeating. So we have to do that in finding the answers for these examples. Now this is number 1. So you are given a group of numbers and some of them are missing. You have to think, what number pattern or number sequence are you going to use to find the answer? Now this is for number 1. You have 426, 428. Next two numbers are missing. You have 434, and the last number is also missing. Try to think of your answer. When you are finished, try to answer number 2. Here you are given the first two numbers, 708 and then 706. The third number is missing. You're given 702 and then the next two numbers are missing. Try to think, what number pattern are you going to use? Is it increasing by or decreasing by? Try to think of your answers. If you are finished, you can now find out the correct answers. So again, this is a practice for letter N of your workbook. Now here are the answers for number 1. 426, 428. The next number is 430. This is followed by 432, 434, and the last number is 436. From this example, you can see that the number pattern used is increasing by 2s. Now let's see the answers for number 2. Starting with 708 and then 706. The next number is 704. This is followed by 702, 700, and the last number is 698. This number pattern is showing us decreasing by 2s. Let's see for number 3. This is the number pattern for number 3. Look at each number and try to think, what is the missing number? And then answer number 4. Look at every number and try to think, how are you going to complete these number patterns? And if you are finished, we can now see the correct answers. Again, for number 3, starting with 720, there's a missing number, and then you have 730. So the number between 720 and 730 is 725. After 730, have 735, 740, and the last number is 745. This is showing us number pattern of increasing by 5s. Let's see the answers for number 4. Starting with 645, second number is missing, and then you have 635. The number between them is 640, and then 635, 630, and the next number is now 625, with the last number 620. This number pattern is decreasing by 5s. You can see that the numbers are going down by 5. For this number pattern, you can use counting backward or simply doing -5. But for number 3, It's counting forward or doing plus 5. Now let's go to number 5. Now for number 5 of letter N. The first two numbers, 830 and 840. Find the next three numbers. The last number is already given. It's 880. When you are done, try to answer number 6. Here you have 340. Next number is missing. Two numbers are given, 320 and 310. And then, the last two numbers are also missing. Try to think of your answers and what or which number pattern are you going to use. If you are ready, we can now see if you got the answers right. Again, this is for number 5. So for number 5, starting with 830, 840, from here you can see that the numbers are increasing by, and they are increasing by from 30 to 40, increasing by tens. So the next number should be 850. Next one, 860. And the next one is 870, with the last number 880. Again, the number pattern used here is increasing by tens. Now for number 6. If you are given 340, the next number is missing, and then you have 320. You can see the numbers are decreasing by. Between 340 and 320, the missing number is 330. Here, the numbers are decreasing, or you are counting backward by tens. To find the answer, you can simply do minus 10. So again, that's 340 minus 10, 330, 320, 310, and the next two numbers are 300 and then 290. Let's go to the next number. This is an example for number 7. You are given 524, 624. Think of the next three numbers, and then the last number is 1024. When you are finished, answer number 8. You have the number 1000. The next number is missing. 800, another missing number, 600, and then the last number. Think about what number pattern are you going to use. Is it increasing by, decreasing by, and by how much? Think of your answers. And when you are finished, we can now see the correct answers. So for number 7, starting with the first two numbers, 524 and 624. From these two examples, you can see that the numbers are increasing by, and they are increasing by 100. So the next number is 724. This is followed by 824. The next one, 924. With the last number, 1024. Again, for example number 7, the numbers are increasing by hundreds. Now for number 8, this is our last example. You have 1000, a missing number, and 800. Between 1000 and 800, the missing number is 900. And then you have 800, followed by 700, 600, and 500. From this last example, we can see that the numbers are decreasing by hundreds. So this is where we end our lesson, and I hope that you understand the topic about number patterns. I hope to see you all next time in our next topic. Try to keep on practicing at home whenever you have the time. Stay safe and healthy with your whole family.